I'm trying to see what y'all can see. So, okay, y'all can see me clearly. Hey, y'all! Okay, so this is another pack with me video. Y'all seem to like these kind of videos. I know I love these kind of videos. I know I always say that. But it's going to be a twist because I know it get kind of repetitive doing the same stuff. Like the same old packing videos. Y'all see me with the suitcase and all that. Here's the suitcase. But I'm not going to be packing, showing y'all the suitcase. I'm just going to show y'all how I start off just laying everything out. And how I try to condense everything. And look at Mitten. She just there just because she know I'm doing something. How I try to condense and have the light colors. So you won't have to overpack. So you won't have a ton of shoes, a ton of boots and stuff. And since it's like a trip that's not a hot climate like I'm usually going to, it's Atlanta. The wait is over. So this is my packing to Atlanta. My first time going there, so I'm excited. So the weather is basically how it is in Philly, but maybe a little warmer. High 50s, high 40s. The lowest it probably get like 39 degrees, like in Philly. Basically, that's how the weather is right now in Philly. So I had to pack like I'm home, like what I'm wearing home. So she looking at my hands because I keep them going like this. So I'm packing stuff that I will wear if I'm home, like winter stuff. It is winter, but y'all know whenever I go somewhere, it's always hot climates. So I'm packing all light colors since it's like bulky stuff. Well, it's not really bulky, but since it's winter stuff, boots and stuff, I'm not trying to have like 3 pairs of boots in my bag because I'm not trying to have my suitcase overweight. And I plan on packing liquor too. So I'd rather have my liquor than, because last time my suitcase was overweight, and I don't know how it became overweight. After we came back, it was overweight. Going, it wasn't overweight. Yeah, going, it was 1 pound overweight. They let me go. I didn't have to take anything out. And that was for Turks and Caicos. And coming back, it was even more overweight without the liquor. And it's not like I bought stuff, but it wasn't like a lot of stuff. It was weird. I was like, you would think the liquors would made it overweight. I just knew my suitcase wasn't going to be overweight because the liquor wasn't in here anymore. But anywho, I'm thinking about not taking bottles of liquor and just taking my my flask concealers, the flask packers, whatever they're called, to make it to get condensed so it won't be a bottle because that's what makes it heavy. But anywho, I got all light colors, so I'm debating on what kind of socks I want to take. But I had my accessories out, and I'm not taking any accessories. I'm not taking any clothes. This is a 5-day trip, so I have everything out for 5 days. The only thing I'm missing is my going home outfit, the outfit that I would wear going back home. I have 2 nightgowns. I usually have, if I'm staying 5 days, I usually like bring 4 pair of pajamas. But sometimes I don't get to wear them. So I'm like, usually we're all girls, so I can sleep in my panties and my tank top if I wanted to. But it is, and my cousin. So, I mean, he don't count. It's just like, okay. So, but now I'm going to just take 2 nightgowns. So the 2 nightgowns, I can wear 2 one day, 2 the next day. I mean, 2 one day. 1 for 2 days, another one for 2 days, and then the next time, I can't talk slowly and Sasha. Everybody say I talk too fast. The next day, we'll be going home, so I won't need a nightgown for that. So basically, I'm taking this one. This was featured in the Avenue haul. So I'm taking this nightgown y'all saw. And then I'm taking this one. So that's all I need. That's basically all I need. And I might take some pajama pants because it might be cold. I don't know how the Airbnb going to be. I don't know if it's going to be cold or not. And then I'm taking that. So I will pick a pair of pajama pants. And I'm going to take some my cozy socks with me. I am going to take that. Matter of fact, let me get them out now before I forget. So I'm going to take these cozy socks with me. Oh, that way each day, each night, I'll have my cozy sock, and I can walk around the house with it. I might as well just take all 3. Because now socks, I don't be liking to reuse my socks. So I'm taking these. They're all from Old Navy, the cat ones, and then the hamburger ones. So I'm going to take all these to go on pajamas. The first outfit, I'm going to just put all the jewelry together. I had the jewelry lined up with the outfits. Mint, did you like my outfits, boo-boo? Hi, Mint. You like mommy outfits? So I thought this was a cute look. This is both, and I already cut those Crazy Forever 21 tags. Because there's nothing like going all the way to where you're going and not having scissors to cut those crazy tags. That happened plenty of times. So, hell with the hanger. So, this crop top that was featured in the Forever 21 haul. And then the skirt, I thought this was a cute look. Look, y'all. And then these boots. These boots with this bag. And now look. These bangles, these bracelets. Where's my other bracelet? It might be over here somewhere. But it's 3 of these. And then I'm wearing these brown earrings, these brown hoops, or I might wear these. These are more summer to me though, so I don't know. Okay, so we got that. I just gotta find my other little mitten. She hears somebody. She probably was sitting on my earrings and stuff. We gonna find that later. So the next one I got is this. Ooh, let me move this. But if you're trying to condense and you don't want to pick a lot, try to have your colors like colors. That way your pocketbooks you can wear again. You can rewear your boots and stuff. Everything will match. So I got this. This was featured in the Forever 21 haul. And then I want to wear these earrings. They're Forever 21 also. And this choker, maybe not. Or I might wear these earrings. And the brown bag and the brown boots. So that's one set. They can go together. Put all the jewelry over here. Then we have these. Everything is Forever 21. These Forever 21. These are like the more conservative leggings that was featured in the whole olive green. And then this Forever 21 bodysuit that I only wore once. I never get to wear. So it's because it's more like for fall and winter, the color to me. So this is the bodysuit with those leggings, and then this jacket to go with it. This jacket, fringe jacket, and this jacket might be getting worn with the that mauve color dress. I might wear that with it. So this, and then you have this can go with it again, or I might wear my pink bag with this. So I'm gonna take both just in case I'll have options, but this not gonna cause me to be overweight, stuff like this. So this will definitely go with the olive green and the tea, and to break up the colors, and the brown boots again won't go with that. And then another Forever 21 item. Oh, this one is not Forever 21. I got this from Simply Be. This is from Simply Be. Yeah, from Simply Be. We got this, the skirt, and remember I said I wore these to go under it. It looked like it's just gonna be skin. It goes right with it, so these go under that. And then I'm gonna wear this gold top. All this is Forever 21. Now this I want to try on because I don't know how this and this gonna look together. It looked like it looks good, but usually I try the stuff on too. And then I have this bag for options because it's more dressier, but I'm still going to dress it down with those boots because you can dress those boots up or down. And now with one of the outfits, I'm thinking about wearing these brown high socks, and it might be with that peach, with this color, not peach, this mauve color dress. I don't know. I'm gonna just take it for options, but stuff like this is not gonna cause me my suitcase to be overweight. And far as earrings, these are gonna go. Let me show y'all. Y'all saw them in my holiday. I don't like how that light is me. Maybe I should turn this light on. Let me see. I turned it on just so it can be brighter, but we really don't need it, y'all. We really don't need it because it looked like that light was just interfering. What y'all think? Y'all let me know in the comments. I don't think we need that light. But this looks so cute. I don't know if y'all saw my holiday lookbook. If y'all didn't, go look at it. This looks so cute together. So I'm wearing this with that. But I'm going to try this stuff on to see how it looks. And then I got options with this bag. But I was going to bring some elegant shoes. Because what we do is we dress for a day and we dress for like dinner. Because that's usually what we do. We do activities in the day, and then at night is dinner. So we're in Atlanta. We're planning on going to the old lady gang restaurant, OLG Candy that was in Escape. This one, Real Housewives of Atlanta. That Candy, the singer, her mom and aunts. Well, her restaurant, her mom and her aunt manage the restaurant. We going there. We're going to stop at. We're trying to stop at K Michelle Puff and Petals restaurant. We're trying to do Hattie's. I think it's called Hattie's. That's another good soul food. So we're trying to go to all the restaurants while we're in Atlanta because that's where all the good food is. So we're dressing for dinner and we're dressing for like day. But I'm not doing day and night outfit. It's going like transition. I'm not picking all that stuff because when we just went to Turks and Caicos, I didn't wear half of my stuff. I still had like 4 or 5 outfits left. So I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. But that is because it's a hot climate. We were in swimwear the whole time. And then these my little thin socks. Trouser socks. We were in swimwear most of the time. So we didn't really need to. But I do always take an extra outfit just in case. And I'm going to take an extra outfit. I've got to pick my going home outfit, and I'm going to take an extra outfit. And y'all know these boots is the boots that's from Torrid. They were featured in the Torrid boot haul. Now, there's one outfit that got black in it that I was going to bring and just bring the black boots too. But I don't want to bring it and then I end up not wearing it. And then I'd bought these black boots for nothing. I got to find those bracelets, the other bracelet. It's on this bed somewhere. But, yeah, so that's a tip. Like, if you don't want to pack a lot and you're going for like a 4 to 5 day trip, and if you're going for like a 7 day or 2 weeks and stuff, you might not be able to pack everything that's like colors, like the same colors. But if you're going for like a 4 day to 5 day trip, you can pack stuff that's like colors, that's similar. Or make it work, like make the colors work. Yeah, like all these colors meshing together. And then I probably can switch some stuff up. I probably can wear that jacket with that. I can switch it up. I probably can wear these leggings with something. Take off the skirt. And, no, that's not going to work because, those leggings you can see through. That's why I wear this skirt. But I am looking for my brown bracelet. I can't find it, so I guess I will do that after I end this video. But it's driving me crazy that I can't find it. And pajamas-wise, you might only need, like, one. Me? I be thinking I need, because it's like once I get in the shower and stuff, I don't like to put on the same stuff I already had on. Even though it's still clean, I just don't like to put the same thing on, especially when I know I got a lot of pajamas. But that's anywhere but home. You can change as much as you want, but if you're going away, you don't want to be packing all that stuff. Shoot. And then you thinking about it as being overweight, and you feel so dumb that it's probably like your pajamas that's making it overweight, clothes that you didn't even wear. Like, that pissed me off. Like, I didn't wear half of the stuff for Turks and Caicos. Not that I had to pay for it, because if it's overweight, I'm going to put it in another bag. Or sometimes they just let you go. I'm not paying $100 if my suitcase is overweight. That's not happening. But it's just the fact that you got to get out of line and then take the stuff out and all. I didn't have to do that this time, but sometimes I do have to do it. And just think about it. You didn't wear the stuff. Like, I can see if I wore it, I would be even, at least I'll feel better. But I didn't wear it. I didn't wear half of my stuff. I was pissed. I'm looking for this bracelet still. I think it's, oh, here you go. I stepped on it. Here you go. So, these 3. And then, for the green, the olive green, I'm going to mix these brown ones with the green and wear the brown boots. I got it all in my head. Like, I always have a vision of what I'm wearing. And when I buy my stuff, I'm like, oh, I can wear that. And then I think I'm going to take that. Let me show y'all. Y'all, let me show y'all. So I want to take this. Ooh, another Forever 21 item. I want to take this dress, the sweater dress. But, I don't know if I want to wear these brown boots with it. I might as well, though, right? Because I wanted to wear not that I wanted to wear my knee boots with it. I wanted to wear my boots that's this tan color with it. But who knows? I probably just wait because it's all like colors. Like all the accessories I got here will go with this. The bag, that pink bag, go with this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna. Or you know what? They got gray in it. I could just pack my gray knee boots and wear my gray over the knee boots. I can wear my gray over the knee boots with this dress. So that would be it. That would be like my extra outfit. I'm gonna take that. But I don't know. For some reason, I know these boots look cute with everything else that I'm looking at. But for some reason, with this sweater dress, it's not doing it for me. Y'all let me know. For some reason, you got to realize that the boots going to be down here. But for some reason, these boots, they look cute with everything else I held up. But with the sweater dress, it's not doing it for me. The boots that I would want to wear with that sweater dress is these. The ones that was featured in the holiday haul. This is Forever 21. This was featured in the holiday haul. And I wanted to wear these boots with it. These are doing it for me with this. I might just pick these too. Because these are lightweight. Those tour boots is going to take up some space. These, I might just pack these. I don't know. But if I'm going to pack another pair of boots, I would want it to be black and wear my black outfit. And just bring out some more accessories. But I didn't want to do that. I'll have to bring out another black or silver bag. Because that's the colors I will wear with it. Black and silver. And I would have to bring out those black boots. Y'all tell me. But by the time y'all see this video, I mean, y'all can tell me in the comments what y'all think still. But by the time y'all see this video, I will be on the trip by the time y'all see this video. And I was trying to take these earrings to go with something, but they don't go with anything I'm taking. They do got the pink in it for that pink dress. They will be cute. I might take them just in case, because I want to wear these earrings. They just been sitting here. Let me see. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. But I'm thinking that these will look better. I wear these all the time, though. Like, if I'm going somewhere with my dress, these are like my go-to with dresses. And I wear them a lot, but they look like they haven't even been worn. I don't know. For some reason, it's doing it for every other outfit, but not this one. I don't know. I gotta figure that out. But this will be my extra outfit. This will be my extra outfit. Let me get these on my bed because I do wear these. These are random. This will be my extra outfit, and it's a dress, so I can wear, like, easy. I'd rather bring, and that's another thing. Try to pack dresses, because dresses, I mean, you just throw in a dress, put your accessories, but if you bring in, like, skirts and tops and all, like, that's two pieces. Like, that's more stuff that you got to pack. If you bring in dresses, it's easy. You can just throw that in. Like, this stuff is not going to take up no space. And on only other outfit I got to pack my underwear, my makeup and all that stuff is going in my personal item. So the suitcase, it shouldn't be overweight at all. I'm thinking about my liquor that I'm going to pack in there. And then I'm just going to pack, and all this stuff is lightweight, as you can see. And I am going to pack, I might pack my Ashley Stewart jacket, or just wear the jacket on the plane. I might have that jacket on already. Wear something like that color that I'll have that jacket on already. That's what I'll do. And that's that. Yeah. So that's it, y'all. Any more tips? I don't know, but I know that I might get copyright, or I might have to override voiceover, or put some kind of music because it's music playing, and now it's time to go. They're playing music, and it's going to copyright this video. So I got to figure out what I'm wearing back home, but that's easy. It's usually leggings and like a shirt like this or something. But since it's Atlanta, usually I'm coming from a hot climate coming back home, so I might wear a sweatshirt. I might have a sweatshirt on and my leggings. I think it's going to be the sweatshirt that my hoodie that I'm wearing there, that I'm waiting to come from Forever 21. So stay tuned for a Forever 21 haul. Y'all probably see that before y'all see this video. But anywho, I feel like I had more to show y'all, but I'm sorry, y'all. I got to go. It's music playing. If y'all like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you know when all my videos are coming out. Share this video so someone else can get an idea of how to pack smart. Smart packing. That's what I'm gonna name this video. How to pack smart. Leave me a comment. Let me know how y'all like this video, and let me know what y'all think about what boot would y'all wear, and do y'all like the way I coordinated everything. And even though they're all different colors, all the colors mesh well with these boots. So my plan is just to take these boots with me, and not even slippers, because I'm gonna wear my slides going on the plane, and I can walk around with them, and I'm bringing my socks. So yeah, till next time. Love you guys. Ciao. Bye, my fashion dolls. Bye.